मोबाईल चोरपी 3 चोरांक पणजे पुलिसांनी मंगळारा धरले. पुलिसांनी तांचे कडल्यान सुमार 7 लाख मोलाचे 23 फोन जप्त केल्यात. मोबाईल चोरयेक गेल्ल्याची कागाळ नोंद जाल्ल्या उपरांत पुलिसांनी ही कारवाय केली. पणजे पुलिसांनी कर्नाटकांतल्या शिमोगा जिल्ल्यांतल्यान चोरांची आंतरराज्य टोळी धरली. DK लक्ष्मणा नावाच्या एका आरोप्याक 2020त पणजे पुलिसांनी धरिल्लो. चोरयेच्या गुन्यांवात तो दोशी थारिल्लो. जाल्यार दुसरो आरोपी संतोष उडुपीतले घर फोडयेच्या गुन्यांवात वॉन्टेड आसा.
We have arrested 3 people basically belonging to the district Shimoga from Karnataka. Or from these accused people we have recovered 23 mobile phones which is approximately worth of 7,50,000 rupees. The team nabbed 3 people. DK Lakshmana, age 26 years, Sandeep, age 30 years, or Santosh, age 25 years. They were all nabbed from Zuari Nagar. These people have come here and they were primarily targeting the people who are working in Goa on shift basis. The people who are working in different establishment on shift basis, which they had to work at night or they were working in early mornings. So some of the people who come from outside or from Goa, they stay in hotels and lodgings in dormitory forms. So what happens is, like, since they are staying together, the rooms in the early mornings are not locked. They just keep it open so that the night shift people, they comes, the roommates come, they can easily come into it so that it is not latched from inside. So these people used to go one day early, they will go and recce the area, and next day early morning 6 to 7 o'clock they will go there. When people are sleeping, immediately they take the mobiles. Generally what happens is, like, the people who are on night shift, they come to the room, they actually keep the mobile on charging and just sleep. So they just take the mobile and vanishes from the scene. To save themselves from these people, the accused actually had an interesting modus operandi also. They actually got some fake certificates from it's all forged documents stamped by some doctors. Basically we have to verify but they have already interrogation, they told it's fake. They are saying that they are deaf and they are actually deaf and they are dumb. So that these people, whenever some people ask, like, what are you doing here, they will say, like, we are dumb and deaf and we want some money. So that they get a sympathetic view from the people, so they can escape from the scene if they are at all caught or they are suspected. So we have recovered 23 mobiles. We are trying to trace the mobiles from where they have stolen, and based upon further investigation, necessary procedures will be taken.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीष परब आनी संगीता ओली.